Whoa! A face you guys aren't used to seeing. Well, get used to it. Hi, Max. How are you?
That's, I guess, one way to intro the vlog.
Oh, by the way, if you hit a freaking puddle without a freaking roof, you get wet. We are about to get hit by a freaking RAV4 right there. Never mind this fool. Y'all have one of those friends that you pee a little every time you get in the vehicle with them? Well, that's what it's like driving with this guy in a lifted freaking Jeep. So
what?
He's telling me to like hold it at eye level, but he's just bouncing along the freaking road because Jeep life, dude.
So right now we're doing a review of the 2012 Jeep Wrangler. As you guys can tell, we have the rough country lift, I think, on this and some other stuff. I honestly don't know. I just bought this car Friday. Long story short is I can tell you that we're just driving it out to see and test it to its abilities.
It's great. It's a Jeep. It feels like a Jeep. My arm's getting tired. Yeah. Hi, doggo. You're so cute. That was my full throttle reaction.
This is your full braking reaction. Rock, paper, scissors? Wait, whoa, it's on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. No, what are you doing? Okay. Okay.
Ah, quick poll in the comments. Do you pronounce the G in your gnarly?
That's what I was saying. It's gnarly, and he's saying it's G like good gnarly.
No.
That's what he's saying.
No.
And that's what I'm like,
don't.
dude. That's
It's
like it's gnarly. That's what I'm saying. Thank you. Finally, you're on the same page. It wasn't even recording. Well, that one was, but whew. So we were driving. That actually is a kind of cool style. But we went through a puddle and I totally forgot that we didn't have a roof. So it just got all over us. Did you know that was gonna happen? Then why didn't you say anything?
Because you're going too fast.
You could have said stop and I would have stopped.
I was trying to get the freaking camera on. So cut to your freaking stupid suspension review. It's great. It's a Jeep. It feels like a Jeep. Does that work?
Just for you.
Does that work? Does that work? It feels like okay, if you know what a rough country suspension feels like, that's what it feels like. If you've ever been off-road with any sort of actual suspension, that's what it feels like. If you've never been off-road with suspension, hi people, it feels smoother. Oh, by the way, if you hit a freaking puddle without a freaking roof, you get wet. If you did Jeep things, you'd freaking know that. Yes, I'm that freaking triggered right now. Comment about it. Like, subscribe. Still feels like a Jeep. That's the face of a person that ruins clothing, gentlemen.
It's just money. You can buy more.
Oh, so you're gonna buy me a new hat?
You got that hat for free.
It don't matter.
Yeah, tell them what we're doing?
What are we doing?
Making the strippers dance.
Dollar bill, y'all.
Yeah, going against the blowers. We're going through twice. Make sure all the dirt's on.
Max literally has like 7 cars behind us right now. Whoops. Sorry, dude.
It's so steamy in here. Oh, it's so hot.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm with so many things, you gotta just let it out loud. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should